What's up, bro?
What's happening, man?
What's up? You here for this?
What's going on?
They just put me and my kids on the plane with no explanation.
Who?
He keep picking out the fucking door and shutting it. So you go ask him himself, and then give me the explanation. I don't know. And me and my fucking daughter, it's her birthday. My son and my other son right here. We got on the plane with no explanation. Asked us to get off.
I'll talk to him. See what's going on. All right.
See what's going on. And I bring him the fuck out here, because I'm going to smack the shit out of him.
Let's have a seat for me.
Nah, I'm not having no seat. That's racist shit. I'm not having no seat.
Let's have a seat for me. I'm
not having a seat. You can go talk to him. I'll stand right here. I'm not having a seat. Not at all. Myra, go sit down. Or sit down next to Myra. Or sit next to Brittany. Tell him to come outside. Whoever asks us to get on the plane, I want to know the reason.
Yep, I'll talk to him, man. Just have a seat over there for me.
I'm not having no seat.
All right, man. Well,
I'm not having no seat. It is what it is. I don't give a f*** on none of that shit. It is what it is. You look like you do your push-up and shit. I fight good as shit, bro.
I'm not worried about fighting, man.
Hey, that's cool.
I'm trying to figure out what's going on.
This some racist shit. So it's going to be a fight if this don't go my way. It's going to be a real fight. So I hope y'all fight good as shit. Or shoot. No chance at all. Not one. So I hope y'all handle this shit, bro. Come over here and talk to him. Don't even come over here to me, so I'm telling you, you don't have no chance with me. Come talk. Come stand with him. Don't stand behind me or none of that shit. The nigga that keep picking out the
My man.
Get him, bro.
Hey.
Ask him why the asked me to get over the plane.
I'm gonna need you back.
I need that racist. We're not doing that racist shit today. You not with that racist shit. You with me, bro. Get the
Put your hands down.
Alright, cool. Y'all not putting me in handcuffs, bro. Y'all want to talk, y'all talk.
Hands to the ground, man.
Not laying. For what?
Hands to the ground.
For what? For what? Back up.
Bro, you're doing too much. I tried to be cool. I tried to be cool.
Where you doing a lap in front of my kids for what? For what, bro? For this white lady, bro?
I need you back up, man, please.
Back up, brother. Get the kid. I ain't gonna do nothing to him. I'm let the he went off this white lady shit. I don't know what the going on. What you just tackle me for, bro? What did you tackle me for, bro? Let me up. I'm gonna get a hang up. Nope. No what? You're not getting up. Because of this white lady? Bro, you a cold whore, bro. You doing what this white lady say, bro?
Stop.
Bro, how you doing what this white lady say to you, bro?
Nah, man, relax.
You can put me a hang if you want. No, why you listening to this white lady, bro? I'm not fighting. Do you want to put me a hang up?
How to?
Come on, put me a hang. Bro, get this white off me, bro. I'll let you put me a hang. Tell her to get on me and let you put me a handcuff. Bro, what the f wrong with you, bro? I didn't do nothing wrong. And you fighting me. We are
I told you I didn't want to fight you.
Now shut the f bro. You wanted to do this. You wanted, come on. Hey, babe, get my shoe. He's a cracker just like her. I ain't about to fight you off. Babe, get my shoes.
Back up. Please back up.
My bitch.
Look, I'm trying to be nice. Back up.
Let her get my shoes. You the one that had this tackle me and you off. For real. Because if I flip y'all off me, it's going to be a problem. Now, if I flip you on top of her, you going to look crazy.
You said you want to go in cuffs, right?
I'll go in cuffs now, not a problem. But you can on me and let me go in cuffs. She on my leg. It's hurt, bro. She on my leg. That's right. On my leg, I told you. No, my leg. Get off my leg. Stop resisting, man. What am I resisting?
You got to stop resisting.
So I gotta let y'all hurt me?
No, you need to stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
I'm trying to get you to fight.
Am I fighting with you?
Yes, sir, you are.
What I do to you? You got a camera on?
Fucking off, yes,
Do you have a camera on? I
you.
touch you. Old ass girl, I ain't about to shit on you in your mouth, man. You gonna be mad. Over here.
My way.
Look at him. He's
My way.
You gotta come over here.
Go.
What y'all doing?
Stop.
What?
Let's go.
It's rule. You're not saying nothing.
I got one. So leave it there, Sarge. Leave your hand there, Sarge. Leave your hand here.
I got one. I tighten the handcuff. I tighten the handcuff. I tighten the right one. I tighten it. I ain't say tighten the right.
Sir, you have lost your rights right now.
Lost my rights to do anything?
You go that way?
Yep.
I don't have no rights. I don't have any rights.
Not right now.
No rights, bro.
All right, we're gonna sit you up.
You gonna sit who up? He holding my ankle. How you gonna sit me up?
When you ready to go up?
Yeah, we ready.
How? You holding my ankle
Watch out, Hill.
and pulling my pants, you bitch. What the f you looking at me crazy for? You're a whore.
Let's go.
Yeah, handcuffs off. I'll slap the shit out you, bro.
Of course you would.
And you know it. I record this shit. Record this shit. Get your hands off me. Get your hands off me, bro.
You got it.
Man, get your hands off me, bro.
Take him out. Where we go?
Record this.
Cancel 1033.
Yeah.
Record this.
Okay, so what happened other than what we got?
So I run airport operations for Spirit. I was downstairs on our 1 through 29 gates. I get up there, talk to the captain. They say, yeah,
Oh, Papa.
approach them, say, hey, you can go off the voluntary way now, or OPD will be called.
Okay.
And he said, I don't want any law enforcement trouble. Gets up halfway through the jet bridge. He starts spitting in my face.
So he was on the flight.
Correct.
Okay.
Calling me racist, and I get out here. He's telling me he's gonna slap the shit out of me. He starts picking up these things and trying to hit me with them, and keeps playing chicken with me around this this thing.
Did he actually spit on
Yeah,
you?
he spit on my face.
So there was actually spit on your face?
Yes.
Okay.
Get both your hands off me, bro. I got me in handcuffs. If y'all don't do what I ask, bro, I'm not walking. I'm gonna start spitting in y'all face. Just walk. No, you're not. Make your hand off the back of my neck. I promise to God to you, bro. Get your elbow off my back, bro. Okay. All y'all had to do is what I asked y'all to do. Why the fuck y'all walking with y'all elbows in the back of my neck? Y'all is elbowing in the back of my neck, bro.
We're gonna bring you up to your knees.
What are y'all doing?
Sit up, sit up. Bring you up to your knees.
To do what?
All right, man, bring your leg in for me.
Walk.
That's it.
Do you want to press charges? He's going to jail regardless.
I don't want to press charges. I think he's drunk. I think he made a mistake. And I just want them to
Okay,
know.
so he's just battered at least 4 of us a few times. So
And I'm
he's got felony charges on us.
Are you saying even if I don't press charges, he's still going to have felony charges?
Yes.
Okay, then yeah, don't worry about whatever misdemeanor or whatever be spitting on my face. Yeah.
Oh, well, here's the thing. Now it's just all on us.
Okay, sure.
No. I'm just... I get it. But this is the thing we run into. Come out here, we get into this fight, and now everything's our liability, which is fine.
Sure. No,
Which is
let's do it.
fine.
Sure, I'm fine with it.
No big deal. It just makes a stronger case. If,
Okay, sure, that's fine.
Are you willing to write a statement?
Sure, whatever I need.
Okay.
So y'all gotta handcuff me and walk me somewhere to tell me why y'all handcuffing me and walking me somewhere. That's the way the United States goes.
Do you know about how long it'll keep them? All depends on how busy they are tonight, and unfortunately, he has felony charges now because he battered several police officers while this is going on, to include myself. He's lucky he didn't get sprayed because that was the next thing coming off my belt. Okay? I thought about the taser. Alright, so he's lucky tonight, honestly. He needs to drink something else other than what he drank today. If he's not normally like this, he needs to change his drink.
You can go be a security guard for $60,000 in DC, bro. Instead of sucking in Florida for $45,000.
Yeah, you go first.
You sucking ass.
Did you get patted down already?
No, I ain't do nothing. Nah.
Turn around. Go.
Y'all gonna do that the first time. Disney tickets, bro.
I'm moving, man.
Come, man.
Bro, stop moving.
Put your foot down. Put your foot down. He put my foot up.
No, I touched it. You picked it up.
You picked it up. I picked it up for you.
Don't do that.
All right, so what you want me to do?
Just stay still. Turn around.
Hey, it's Disney's tickets in my fucking pants. I just took my kids to Disney.
Bro, I'm talking to you like a man.
You're not talking to me like a man. You took me off. You just hey, for y'all put me on the ground in front of my kids for no reason, bro. Tell me what the I did wrong. Tell me.
I'm doing it right now, man.
What? Ask me what I did wrong.
Bro, sit down.
Oh my God, bro, come on, sit me down. I'll take it. I'll take it. That's what I'm doing wrong, sitting down. Come on. Come on, bro, stop being so strong.
So what?
Stop being strong.
I'm not trying to be strong, bro. I haven't disrespected you at
You
all.
did.
No, I didn't.
Y'all slammed me on the
I
ground
didn't slam
in front of my kids, bro. I'm ready. What am I gonna do in handcuffs? I don't want these. Bro, get off. Hey, bro, get off.
Let's scoot this table.
Just let me sit back. If y'all gonna let me.
Nope.
So what the What to do?
Bro, sit down.
Fool, to do what?
Just stay seated.
I'm not calming down. I swear to God, I'm not calming down. Y'all just slammed me in front of my fucking kids.
Sit down. Oh, sit down.
I'm asking you why was police called? I was sitting in a plane with my daughter next to me. Why was police called, bro? What did I do, bro? I didn't say nothing to nobody. I didn't touch.
Airlines call? Didn't the airlines call? Yeah, the airlines called. Okay.
And said what?
The airline.
And said what?
That you being disruptive.
What did I do that was disruptive? Is it cameras on it?
Yeah, there's cameras over there.
What? Please, I bet.
Sit down.
I'm down. No problem. It's a lawsuit. Is cameras on the plane? Get a law. Get the cameras. That's the only place my ID should be. So if y'all slam me down, my ID lost, then y'all lost my ID. And that's fucking crazy. Y'all done slammed me down in front of my daughter, lost my ID. For what reason? I'm suing the shit. Can I get a call from all y'all niggas? I promise my God, my lawyer is going to fuck y'all over, bro.
All right, here's the issue. He's still not happy, but he's not giving us his ID information. If I don't get his correct ID, we're gonna put him under a John Doe, and it's gonna take 3 times as long to get him out of jail. Okay, because they have to figure out who he is.
So can I go talk to him?
No, you can't go talk to him, but I can give you the information. If you can give me his information, I can relay it to the person who's writing his charging affidavit.
I don't have his info.
You don't know his name
I know his name, but I
and
don't.
his birthday?
I don't have all his info.
That's okay. As long as I got a name and a birthday, I mean,
Can we go? Can I go talk to him?
no. He's already in a car and on his way to jail. If you don't want to give me the information, by all means, we'll book him under John Doe, and it'll take longer.
Can I go talk to him at least? Can his daughter go talk to him?
Thank you.
This suspect was charged with resisting with violence, resisting without violence, assault on a law enforcement officer, and disorderly conduct totaling a bond of $5,500. He is innocent and less proven guilty in a court of law. Records indicate he has been permanently banned from booking a future flight with Spirit Airlines.
Thank you all